If you're looking for that perfect home, look no further. Welcome to Elegance on Avalon. Hi, I'm Asher Cohen.
And I'm Christopher Talley, and we're with the Arizona real estate team at True Realty. Let's go take a look.
This completely remodeled home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and approximately 2,200 square feet, along with a 1-car garage. From the moment you walk in, you're drawn to the spacious open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The open kitchen features 5-burner gas range, quartz counters, wine fridge, stainless steel hood, and French door refrigerator. The split floor plan offers the master retreat with spa ensuite bathroom, featuring lots of natural light, dual sinks, tub, and glass enclosed shower. Additionally, walk-in closet and access to backyard. Out back, you have an easy maintenance backyard and grass area, located within the highly sought-after Biltmore and Arcadia district.
Thanks for taking a tour with us.
And for more information or a private showing, please feel free to contact us at the Arizona Real Estate Team. Have a great day.